Okay, so when you come to St. Petersburg, this is one of the places you just gotta stop. It's in the Singer building, which is very famous, but there's this amazing views over historical St. Petersburg while you have some food. It's great. How can you not love this? Dinner with a view. Okay, so we just saw that Cinnabon has Blini, so I had to check this out. Okay, so here they are. That's the Blini, and that's my coffee. So 600 rubles for two. Okay, so this is Degtyarnye Bani behind me. So last time I was here was 2016. So they've had a few updates and definitely want to go check out. It's a little higher end or even more higher end than it was last time we were here. Okay, so this is the change room. So you can see, this is like the fancy, I just came out of the banya, so pretty hot. You've got like lockers and you could rent the whole room or you just be here. And it's a TV and you can hang out in between your sauna sessions. You could come back here and do it all over again. Food and drinks, full on. These are very popular in the banya. So this one's 24 degrees. That one's 8 degrees. So when you jump into that one, oh, it's very cold. And then there's the Karilka steam room. And this, you can just hang out. Okay, so this is a restaurant called Borsch, and they do kind of a different take on, well, how you eat borscht. Wasn't not quite sure what to expect, so let's go check it out and order some food. That is called onion ice cream. It's just what you kind of, this is, they call it the nectar. So it's just like the broth. And this is borscht in a pastry form. I don't know what I'm gonna bite into. It's Borsch Piroshki, like, it's genius. I don't know why I never made that at home. All right, so Rita's found another way to eat the onion ice cream. Of course, Aussies love dipping their fries into ice cream. It's amazing with onion ice cream.